Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick pool video. It's going to come out around Labor Day weekend, so it's going to be near the end of the summer. So I just want to do a quick 3-year review on this pool. I'm not a pool guy, so take that into account, but this pool's been pretty good. It's been pretty awesome. I originally set this up thinking it was maybe going to be up 2 seasons max, right? I just figure it's not going to be that durable. I'm just gonna not enjoy things, and the kids are not gonna want it anymore or whatever, and it's gonna come down. So we're in the 3rd season of this pool now, and like I said, it's surpassed my expectations. But there's a couple things I think I would have done differently. Number one, I think I would have done a different base. And what I mean by that is I put in this crushed gravel base and compacted it down with these 4x4s just to get everything good and level. And that works really well. What I really think would work better would be a full concrete or even like a paver base underneath it. Because if you look down the side of my pool, you can see it comes out slightly, and that's because of my lateral poles here are just slightly off, but it doesn't really affect the pool. And when I put this up, I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to take it down in the winter because we're here in Indiana, so we get snow, freezing temperatures in the winter, really hot in the summer. But I haven't taken it down. I bought a winter cover and I just winterized the pool, remove the pump and all that, and take it out. And also another thing we did, and my buddy here, hey, helped me dig this out, but we put foam underneath the pool, which has worked out really well. When you're in the pool, when you're in there, that really creates a soft surface for your feet as you're in there swimming and jumping around. So highly recommend a foam base, especially if you're going to put concrete or something, or packed sand, whatever. I would get that foam in there. Really makes a difference. Now let's talk a little bit about the pump filter. The pump filter is definitely sufficient. I've got a million videos on this, how to backwash, how to use a vacuum, all that stuff. It is a little weak, I would say, but all these Intex pool pumps are a little weak, but it does the job. What I can't pick up just doing a normal filtering, I hit with my vacuum, and it maybe is a little bit extra work, but honestly it's not too bad. So no big complaints about the pump and the filter. I would say you definitely need a pool vac. So I wouldn't go without that. And now my buddy has helped me break my pool vac. I shouldn't say it's all his fault, but it's been sitting out in the sun and the plastic's gotten weak. So it does have some brakes on it, so I can't use it. But I got another vacuum coming, a different vacuum coming this week. So I've probably got a couple weeks till I close this pool down. I'm gonna give it a good vacuum with that new vacuum. I'll give you a review on that and let you know how that works out. But here's something I really don't like, and it's this ladder. This ladder, the steps are just way too thin, right, this way. So when you step on it with your foot, it's uncomfortable. I mean, it does the job to get in and out of the pool, but I would really like a better ladder. And I kept saying over and over in all my videos, I'm gonna buy a better ladder for this. Still haven't done it, pandemic, all that, supposed short supply, all that stuff. So haven't done that yet. Mods we've done. Oh, first let me tell you, this is the 12x24 Ultraframe. I think it also comes in a 16x32, but 12x24 fits my yard better, and it is sufficient for my needs. A couple of mods I've done to it is I've built these little PVC pieces right here to hold my solar cover. I think I have a video on that. So basically they just swing out this way, and it holds the cover as you pull the cover off. Sorry, I've got to keep these out of the way for Doggo. He wants to chew on them, but you can pull this cover back and then just fold it down here to hold it in place. Another mod I did was the skimmer. There's a video, and that's probably the most popular video on my entire channel. But I think that's about it. I mean, really, it's the very beginnings of this is what I would change. We've got so much use out of this. The kids absolutely love it. My wife loves it, believe it or not. And of course, she wants an in-ground pool, so that's probably what we'll go to next. Eventually, that's if I don't decide to retire early and call it quits. But yeah, what I would change, definitely the base. Although this isn't bad, don't get me wrong. It's just, you know, as I sit and overthink things, that's what I do. I would change that base. I would put something solid under there, so, you know, it came out all the way around where these support poles come out, and then they can sit on a flat surface and have it completely level across. Now, for a normal DIY guy, that's probably kind of difficult, which is why I didn't do it in the first place. Although I did get it fairly level with that crushed rock. So, you know, 3 years into it, it's only a little bit out of kilter. So I think that's about it, guys. Intex 24 by 12 Ultraframe pool. After the 3rd season, getting ready to close it down here probably in a few weeks. And we'll cover it up and we'll open up it again next year and see how it holds up. So I don't know, maybe I'll get 5-6 years out of this. We'll see. We'll keep at it. You know, maybe we'll just get another ladder and everything will be fantastically awesome again. But yeah, vacuum video coming in about a week. I think that's all we're gonna have for today. So Oxy, say see you later.